Hey everyone, welcome to my data desk. Now I'm Shelly, a mentor in this LeetCode SQL series. Now we are going to solve our today's question, which is employees earning more than their manager. That is problem number 181. That is from the easy level, available on LeetCode that you can solve from that platform. Okay, so let's first understand the columns of the table and then going to understand the problem, and we will jump into the input, and after that we'll going to solve this question on the right side. Okay, so let's first understand the table. We have one table that the name of the table is employee. We have id, name, salary and manager id. These are the columns available for the table. And now let's understand the problem. We have to find all the employees whose salary is higher than their manager's salary. So here the manager id is available, salaries are available and names are available. Names are the employees, and manager ids are the ids of the manager who's also them in the this column, name column. Okay, so we need to understand and return the output of the return the output of the names, I guess. Yes, return the output of the names of the employees who have the higher salary more than their manager. Okay, so let's jump into the input now. We have id, name, salary, manager id. Here we have 1 2 3 4 ids of the employees, where Joy, Henry, Sam, Max are the employees. Salaries are mentioned here. Let's understand now. Joe's manager id is 3, and the name of that manager is Sam. So from this we can understand this: Joe's manager is Sam, and Joe's salary is 70,000 and Sam's salary is 60,000. We can clearly see that the Joe's salary is higher than that manager. And if we see the same thing for the Henry's ID is 2, and his manager ID is 4. Who's this? Max. Max salary is 90,000, Henry's salary is 80,000. Here Henry fails the case. So our output will be Joe. Joe's salary is higher than the manager's salary. Now we have only single table. How we can do this thing? Okay, here we are going to solve this now. Okay, first I'm going to write the solution. I'll execute this, that, and after that I'll explain the solution. Okay, so we are going to select, so we are going to select name as e sorry employee, because we have employee as the column name in the output. From employee, now we are going to give alias to the employee table, because we are going to apply join that. We are going to apply join to the employee on. Now we will select the column, common column name. On the basis of that we are going to join our table. So first we will take the manager id from the employee table, equal from the am.id. So we are creating ids and manager ids. Manager id from the employee table, and id from the manager table. Now where where employee's salary is greater than the manager's salary. Let's execute this. Some. Okay, here we select the name because we give alias. So for this we have to give e dot name, so that this query can access the data of that column. Okay, all the test cases are accepted successfully. Now I'm going to explain the solution. So for this we are going to use self join, that is join. We join the table 2 times, map it together so that we can get all the data multiple times, and we can map the ID from the manager ID. E is the employee table, M is the manager table. We create two tables as a duplicate, or we can say that two tables with the same data. We match the employee manager ID with the employees table manager ID and employee ID from the manager table. Then we apply the condition where we are comparing the salary, and employee salary is greater than the manager's salary. This query returns the employees who earns more than their manager. Okay, so that's it. A clean and powerful, useful self join, and one of the most important SQL concept for the interview. This question is very much common while you're going for the SQL interview. So you can prepare for that as well. This is the very easy, simple question. And if you are enjoying this LeetCode SQL series, like the video, subscribe to my data desk, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.